We're going to be taking a look at 6 altcoins that should likely be on your radar if they aren't already. And we will be taking a look at this news article over at businessinsider.com and taking a look at the 6 altcoins that Scott Melker, or the Wolf of All Streets, is bullishly hodling right now and is suggesting that we all take part in, as this could be the largest upside opportunity that our generation will see. So make sure you stick around for the whole video so you don't miss on any of this information. And if you're new to the channel, go ahead and join the community here, along with almost 4,000 other awesome subscribers, by smashing that subscribe button and destroying that like button for the algorithm. Really helps out a ton. I do appreciate the support. Come on down and check out some of the other updates. And as BitBoy Crypto would say, let's get it.
Do you want to maximize your profits no matter which way the asset goes? Then you need to check out BITLEVEX, a next generation groundbreaking cryptocurrency exchange. BITLEVEX offers a sleek, user-friendly interface where you can easily trade stock and crypto options with leverage. Reduce risk and increase profits easily by using the stop loss and take profit features. And use the promo code JOE100 to receive a 100% bonus on your first deposit.
All right, guys, so like I said, we are going to take a look at this article over at businessinsider.com. It says the Wolf of All Streets trader shares the 6 altcoins he's bullishly hodling and why he thinks investing in crypto now is the largest upside opportunity that our generation will see. So if you don't know who Scott Melker is, aka the Wolf of All Streets, Scott Melker has been investing in crypto since 2016 and is focused on long-term projects. He's bullish on layer 1 blockchains that can compete with Ethereum, which allows smart contracts. And he believes each platform will specialize in a niche while working alongside other blockchains. So altcoin season seems to be in play, as some cryptocurrencies such as ETH are rising toward their record highs, while others such as Cardano are hitting new peaks. Price peaks create a buzz, often drawing new people into the crypto space. The frenzy creates a rush of excitement, with first-time investors scrambling to figure out where they can throw their money and take positions. But those who've lived through a few crypto cycles know not to get caught up in the FOMO, or fear of missing out. Scott Melker has been investing in crypto since 2016 and has a podcast called The Wolf of All Streets, which is also a nickname he goes by. And he's the author of the Wolf Den newsletter. Melker plays the cycles but knows how to mitigate risk. I believe that investors in crypto should have basically 70% of their portfolio and investments that they rarely touch in long term, 15% in cash, and 15% for trading and investing in smaller caps and riskier projects, Melker said. So even if they all blow up at once, you're really only risking 15%. For Melker, that 70% consists of Bitcoin and Ethereum, while the rest of his portfolio holds a mix of other digital assets. But even when it comes to new projects, Melker is a long-term holder. Same thing. That's why he is bullish on cryptos that are tied to blockchains with a strong use case. So he takes his gains and reinvests them into riskier bets. Not a bad strategy. I do believe that if you have patience and you are willing to ride the volatility, investing in these assets now is the largest upside opportunity that our generation will see, Melker said. So the widely used term for investors who buy and hold their positions long-term and regardless of price is hodlers, as I just said a minute ago. It comes from HODL, an acronym for holding on for dear life. We all know this term because we've all probably done it if you're invested in cryptocurrency. Volatility is wonderful, wonderful. Lots of money can be made in volatility. Anyways, in an interview with Insider, Melker shared 6 altcoins that he was bullishly hodling onto and explained why he believed they had the ability to stick around for the long haul. So next we're going to take a look at those 6 coins that he is talking about, and don't go nowhere, because once we take a look at what he has to say about these 6 altcoins, we are going to take a look at the price action for 3 of them. All right, so the first one on his list is Ethereum, of course, obviously, and we will be taking a look at the price action for Ethereum, so do not go anywhere. Make sure you stick around and go ahead and destroy that like button if you haven't yet. All right, so according to Melker, once you've bought Bitcoin, the next crypto should be Ethereum, especially after the recent EIP 1559 update, which flipped the blockchain into a hybrid system of base fees and tips, burning ETH with every transaction. The update means that about 200 ETH or $643,000 is burned every hour. The process means ETH is now a deflationary digital asset. Okay, so the EIP 1559 update was pretty significant for Ethereum, guys. And like it says here, this process means ETH is now a deflationary digital asset. Melker added that most non-fungible token and decentralized finance projects were also being built on Ethereum's blockchain. This year alone, the NFT market, or the NFT art market, has taken rapid strides. Sales volume jumped to $1.23 billion in the first quarter and $1.24 billion in the second quarter, compared with the fourth quarter of 2020, during which that volume was only $52.92 million. According to the data provider DApp Radar, creators and buyers of NFTs use ETH to trade the projects. From there, Melker is very interested in all other Layer 1 solutions that are theoretically Ethereum competitors, he said. That means any blockchains that can have DeFi and NFT projects built on their networks are on his radar. If you step back, you look at the Ethereum, which is a Layer 1, and it's effectively like investing in the internet in the 1990s. It's the platform that everyone is being built upon. That everything is being built upon. Well, there are Ethereum competitors, Melker said. Each of them has its own value proposition and is faster and cheaper than Ethereum. But he added that just because they could run on similar protocols, that didn't mean they would replace Ethereum. This question has been raised a lot, guys, a lot. I've got some feedback in the comments section of some of my other videos, especially covering Cardano, saying, well, what's all the hype around Cardano? Who's to say that this is going to replace or, stop out, say, for example, Solana or Polkadot, who's to say that, all these different platforms or ecosystems and blockchains couldn't be competitors for Ethereum, not just one. There's more than just one, right? There's Solana, there's Cardano, there's Polkadot, along with others. And the next one on his list is Solana. This blockchain is dubbed the fastest in the world and the fastest growing ecosystem in crypto, according to its website. Solana also supports smart contracts for NFTs and DeFi. A lot of the metaverse and gaming ecosystems are being built on Solana, which I really believe are one of their major future use cases of blockchain and crypto, Melker said. The fact that so many of these projects are choosing Solana is a testament to how fast and cheap and efficient it is as a blockchain. Solana has had a staggering year of growth and is up by an astounding 6,473% year to date, guys. 6,473% year to date. It started January at a mere $1.78, but as of August 31st, it was trading at about $117. And the next on the list is Avalanche, or AVAX. So we're moving right along, guys, and we will be taking a look at the price action for Solana as well as AVAX later in the video. So as I said earlier, guys, stick around, don't go anywhere so you don't miss out on any of the information that we are taking a look at today. All right, next let's go ahead and take a look at AVAX and what he has to say about Avalanche. Avalanche is an open programmable smart contracts platform for decentralized applications that can process thousands of transactions per second. The project says it's low cost and eco-friendly. A recent bridging mechanism built by developers allows DeFi users to transfer their assets between Avalanche and Ethereum's blockchains. What's interesting about Avalanche is that it offers all the things we're talking about with Ethereum and Solana, but what it also offers is the ability for individuals and companies to build their own blockchains that can be either private or public, Melker said. AVAX's price hasn't seen steady climbs. So far, the crypto has been extremely volatile, reaching peaks as high as $59 in February and hitting lows of about $9.36 as recently as July, before tracing back to its previous highs in this month. All right, so next on the list, Elrond, or EGLD, ticker EGLD. Elrond is self-described as a blockchain built to provide a scalable, fast, and secure blockchain platform for distributed apps and enterprises. They're seeing mainstream adoption as a payment solution for music festivals in Europe. They're moving into the NFT space, Melker said. EGLD has also had a volatile price throughout 2021. It started the year off trading at about $26. At its peak in April, it hit as high as $243 before dipping to $62 2 months later. As of August 31st, EGLD was trading around $159 according to CoinMarketCap. And next on his list is Polkadot. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at this, and then we'll jump on to the last coin or altcoin that Scott Melker believes are good investments right now for this largest upside opportunity in our generation. So both Ethereum and Polkadot have similar transaction protocols with automatically execute, control, and document legally relevant events on their blockchains. But Polkadot has a one-up on Ethereum because it can bridge and interact with other blockchains. This means additional applications don't need to be built into this platform like Ethereum, but instead can be connected by a bridge. Keith Bliss, the president of Capital 2 Market, a firm that provides technology solutions to the financial sector, understands the effect these technologies could have on the DeFi sector, and is very bullish on Polkadot. He recently predicted DOT's price would rise as high as $100 within the next 3 years. $100 within the next 3 years. Polkadot, guys. So Polkadot, next up on the list here. DOT's price is up by 245% year to date. The crypto is trading at about $31 as of August 31st, according to CoinMarketCap. And the last on Scott Melker's list here is Cosmos Atom, guys. I hold some Atom. I know some of you guys hold some Atom, are fans of Atom. So this is good to see this one on the list. Cosmos blockchain is a decentralized exchange that can swap digital assets from across the interchain with minimal fees and quick confirmation. It connects to platforms by using their inner blockchain communication protocol, an end-to-end connection-oriented and stateful protocol for reliable, ordered, and authenticated communication between sovereign blockchains. Melker said he was a huge fan of Cosmos because it creates easy interoperability between the various blockchains, which allows each platform to find a niche while working together. In May, Atom peaked at almost $30 before falling by as much as 73% by June. As of August 31st, the crypto was trading at about $24 according to CoinMarketCap. All right, guys, so here we have it, the 6 altcoins that the self-proclaimed wolf of all streets, Scott Melker, believes that are good investments right now. He is personally bullishly hodling these 6 altcoins as well, as he expects this to be the largest upside opportunity that our generation will see, guys. So we have Ethereum, number 1, Solana, number 2, AVAX or Avalanche, number 3, Elrond or EGLD, number 4, Polkadot, number 5, and Cosmos Atom coming in at number 6 on his list. And next, guys, we are going to take a look at some price action real quick, so stick around. All right, guys, let's go ahead and jump on into the charts. So we've got Ethereum pulled up first. We're going to take a look at it, and we'll take a look at Solana, and we'll take a look at AVAX real quick. But like I said, we're just going to take a look at 3 of the different coins that we seen listed over here. But first, we're going to take a look at Ethereum and see what happened here. Okay, so I've had this pattern in here, guys. We talked about this, I believe, in the live stream. If you're new to the channel, make sure you don't forget to hit the subscribe button, smash that like button, and join us here on YouTube, guys. Also, check the links in the description for other ways you can join the community here on YouTube and support the channel. So we did have a measure move in here, guys. It was this measure move here of this wedge pattern or asymmetrical triangle pattern there. You know, I had it put to the downside here because we were breaking down out of the pattern, but you can see that for Ethereum, guys, there was this support playing out from back here, and you can see it worked out perfectly. We did bounce nicely off of that back into our pattern, and then we broke to the upside out of our pattern, and we actually fulfilled that measured move absolutely perfectly, guys. You can see this if I point this out to you. This measured move was filled out perfectly. It was about $3,968 or so was the actual exact target of this measured move. And you can see we actually came up to approximately 3,960 here, or excuse me, 3,985 basically. Sorry. But so that measure move was filled out perfectly. You can see we had a slight retrace after that down to about $3,920 or so. And currently Ethereum does look like it still wants to push a little higher. Now, I would like to zoom out real quick just so that we can point out the fact that Ethereum has broken above this previous resistance, right? We have broken above it nicely here. Very nice break of that resistance. If we can stay above this line, this trend line, I absolutely believe Ethereum can continue to push forward to the upside. All right, let's go ahead and jump on into Solana, guys. So for Solana, we're going to drop it down on the hourly chart here to take a look at what's going on, because I do expect this to see somewhat of a retrace here. After this beautiful run up, a little bit of a retrace, there's nothing wrong with it, right? There's nothing wrong with it. So let's zoom right in on it and check it out. Let's get real up close and personal here on the hourly chart for Solana. Okay, guys, let me know in the comment section down below. Any of you guys holding some Solana? Are you holding some Ethereum? Are you holding some Cardano? What are your 6 altcoin picks? Let me know in the comment section down below. All right, so we can see, judging by this chart, that Solana was up in this rising channel beautifully here. We did break above our previous resistance here. We broke above it. However, we could not hold that support, and we did break back below it here. You can see that we did actually break back below it. Okay, now currently catching somewhat of a bounce here at about $136 for Solana. However, I believe we could come a little bit lower, guys. I do believe down around $132 could be support here. And then, of course, that lines you up here closely with this previous top. And also these candle closes here, guys, I have this trend line in here, which is basically your previous top from back here that you broke out of here in the price action. I believe that would likely play as some good support as well. Now, that does not mean that we have to go all the way down here, but this is just my opinion here, guys, of what this could potentially do. Since it is breaking below this channel, we're also breaking below this previous resistance as well. You know, we could, like I said, we could see a bounce around 132. We're already trying to bounce here at 136, but since we have broken below resistance here for Solana, I would likely expect us to come on down possibly to 128. That would line you up with your EMA as it comes up here as well. So we'll have to see how that plays out for Solana, guys. Let me know in the comment section what you think. Do you think we will see a little bit more of a dip here, a little bit more of a pullback for Solana before we continue the upside? Or do you think we will just bounce right away, break back up above this, and continue our move? All right, guys, next let's jump right on in to AVAX or Avalanche. All right, so the first thing I'd like to point out is this pattern that you can see, basically a descending wedge pattern that you broke out of here on the hourly chart, guys. We're just going to go ahead and throw a measure move in here. Keep in mind that none of this is financial or investment advice. You should always do your own research, guys, and invest at your own risk. Crypto is super volatile. Yeah, just invest at your own risk, guys, because nobody really knows exactly what's going to happen. Okay, nobody really knows exactly what's going to happen. We can do our best with the technicals, the fundamentals, and our research to determine where we think the price could potentially go, but nobody actually knows for certain. So do your own research and invest at your own risk, guys. But this would get us back, basically bringing this measure move to this breakout point for AVAX, guys, would basically get you right up here to retest your previous top. Okay, which would make sense. You definitely have to come up here and retest $56 to $60 there, around $56 to $60 here. You would definitely likely have to come up and retest that. Now, that doesn't mean we couldn't see a little bit more of a dip here for this as well. You know, possibly down here to retest this support from back here. Just a little bit more of a dip and then a bounce, right? That's a very likely possibility, guys. So just keep in mind that take this with a grain of salt, guys, with these with this analysis, and like I said, invest at your own risk, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this update and this video, guys. Make sure, if you're new to the channel, join the almost 4,000 other awesome people that have subscribed to the channel and joined the community here on YouTube. Don't miss out. Check out the links in the description for other ways you can help support the channel and join the community by joining the Discord, the Telegram, all that good stuff. Smash up that like button on the way out if you would, please. I do appreciate the support very much. Check out some other updates, and I hope to see you in the next one.